Hi, this is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS, Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see the topic pros and cons of C programming. It's none other than advantages and disadvantages of C programming. First of all, in previous lecture series, we studied what is meant by C as well as the features of C programming. We learned in a previous lecture. Before we move on to advantages of C programming, first let us see what is mean by C. C is an general purpose programming language. We used to call it as a structured programming language. When compared to algorithmic language, procedural language and all COBOL and all, it's very lengthy as well as theoretical based programming. So C programming is one of the basic language in order to process and sequential way of developing a code. So C programming is very base for in order to study Java, PHP, .NET and all. It's a basic programming language. We used to call it as a basic programming language. Sometimes we used to call it as an assembler language. It's none other than low level coding language. Now let us see what are the features as well as advantages of C programming. C is a building block of many other programming language. We used to call it as an building blocks in order to develop PHP as well as Java, Python code and all. C plays a vital role. If we are expert in C programming, we can easily learn many high level programming language. It's a base. That's what we used to call as an building blocks of many other programming language. As well as programs written in C are highly portable. We used to call it as a portable language. C is a portable language. At the same time, several standard functions are there that can be used in developing programs in easy way and efficient way. That's what we used to call many built-in functions are available in library functions that can able to use. So that is a major advantage in C programming. C programs are a collection of C library functions, and it's also easy to use easy to add some functions to the C library functions. At the same time, the modular structure makes code debugging, maintenance and all very easy. So code debugging and all very easier because the code modulation that's none other than we are going to split out into module by module basic and module base, and then we are going to solve the error issues. So it is very easy when compared to lengthy code. If you are try to solve the error, instead of that we can use module concepts and then we can solve it in efficient way. So that's what code debugging is very easy to process. Now let us see the disadvantages of C programming. Disadvantages of C programming language is none other than C does not provide any OOPS oriented concepts, object oriented programming language. So class, objects, this and all not involved in C programming. There are no concepts of namespace in C. That's what at the same time C does not provide binding or wrapping up of data in a single unit. And another important disadvantage is C does not provide constructor as well as destructor function. The OOPS concepts plays a vital role in C++. So that is that's what the C++ was developed in order to with the help of the basic language C programming only extended as C++. In that full object oriented programming language is embedded. So in order to overcome the problem of C programming, they developed object oriented programming concepts with the help of class, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulations. These features are embedded in C++. Hope you all understand disadvantages as well as advantages of C programming. Let us see in next video. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.